Guys, YouTube has launched an AI help section to help you identify the kind of content that your audience want to see. It's in the YouTube studio under inspiration, and I'm going to go into my computer and show you what I mean right now. It's a game changer. It's awesome. If you're anything like me, sometimes you don't post because you are not even sure what to post. This help section will show you what your audience are more likely to expect from you. Okay, so hang on. Let's go over to my computer and we'll get into that right now. The first thing you want to do, you guys, is to log into your YouTube account. Then you're going to go over here on the right and click on your channel icon. Click on YouTube Studio. Then you're going to scroll down and click on see published videos. Go to videos. Then you're going to click on inspiration. Right here on the channel content, you have inspiration, video, shorts. You're going to click on inspiration. And this is the new rollout that YouTube did. Now, because I do so much content about creating, using Canva to create videos, to help create your videos and YouTube content, uh, the idea, the inspiration that YouTube gives me is Canva Design Challenge, recreate popular YouTube intros, Ultimate Guide to YouTube Optimization in Canva. So YouTube is telling me that based on the videos that I've previously made, this is what my audience would like to see from me or may expect from me. Canva for YouTube, advanced editing techniques, behind the scenes, how we made this YouTube using Canva. Now, there's also this section over here that's called brainstorm. And you can type in, I haven't used it yet, so we're going to do it together. Type in it says describe a topic to create ideas. So let's see. What if I wanted to say use, instead of Canva, maybe CapCut? So let's see, CapCut versus Canva, maybe. Let's see what it does. Let's see. Oh, here we go. And this is what it says here. CapCut versus Canva, which is better for YouTube thumbnails? CapCut versus Canva, editing battle royale, using your latest video. CapCut versus Canva, the ultimate face reveal video editing showdown. CapCut versus Canva, which is best for animated YouTube intros. So you get the idea. This is a really, really good help, you guys. This is really good help because sometimes, like I said before, you're just not even sure where to go with your content, you know? Um, but this, based on analytics, YouTube is telling me, or YouTube will be telling you what your audience expects from you. So I hope this was helpful, you guys. I know I'm going to go through some of these ideas and even try some of the topics that they suggest just to see what happens. And I'll absolutely keep you guys informed and make a YouTube video updating you on, do I get more views or what happens if I use YouTube suggestions. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too. So, guys, let me know in the comment section if you've used the inspiration section, if you've seen it. I think this is new. Probably today they rolled this out. If it's something that you would consider using, let me know in the comment section. And also watch my other video right here about 5 YouTube settings to change to get more views, to optimize your channel. Really great, really, really great advice, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.